Wow, what's cracking with y'all? It's your boy Prince, the Hustle God, aka Chief Flow the Madman, and we reaching in our combat tool bag one more again. Here in the dungeon, just giving you guys a tour, slight tour, um, of where we're gonna be at when we work from this point forward. You'll see a lot more fitness tutorials here, and today we will be working upper body and arms. So you will see some chest workouts in there, multiple chest workouts. You'll see multiple um, bicep workouts, tricep workouts, and workouts for the deltoids. The delts, excuse me, the the entire delts, your entire shoulders. So hang in there with us as we get this lighting right and as we get these tutorials together for you guys. But let's dive in to the upper body workout. And again, ways to support the channel will be linked in the description below. All right, let's do this, guys. Starting with our shoulders, we'll work our way down. Just a light warm up, lightweight shoulder circles. Nothing more than fives. Do them in reverse. Bring them in close and do them as well. Turning our thumbs up. Get more activation out of them front delts, our shoulders. Go in reverse, obviously, and work our way back out. Getting a slight warm up with the shoulders and the shoulder circles. And then obviously activate our lateral raises, our front raises with our thumbs up. And to hit the back of our shoulders, we raise our arms that way. I like to try to keep it going all in one motion. And again, same as we progress with higher weight. Same motion as we progress with higher weight. Once you hit your limit, we only come to about halfway to activate the muscles. And that's where we have heavier weight. But again, just warming ourselves up. And on to the tens. And to give another view of the back, we're reaching out as far back as we can with a slight bend in our shoulders. Keeping our hands as straight as we can, our arms as straight as we can when we come forward. And again, reaching out as far back as we can with a slight bend in our arms. Progressively higher and on to the 20s. So, from our partial way, as far as you can back. Partial way, as far as you can back after partial way here. On to the shoulder presses or Scott presses. Now that we're all through our dumbbell shoulder workout, you're a little more warmed up, your muscles are fired up. Before we hit the machine shoulder presses at a heavier weight, go right back to the circles, which are like torture, with the fives. Bring them forward. Everything is till failure. Last but not least, our heaviest for our shoulders. I like to say for machine, for the shoulder press. So we'll hit these again until failure. Try to go for at least 8 to 10. We're trying to build muscle as best as we can. There are 2 grips here. Go for which is most comfortable for you and rep till failure. And if you can get more than 10, obviously do so. All right, now that we hit shoulders in our entirety, just for the first cycle through, we try to hit this circuit, this entire circuit, 3 times with a bonus set at the end, just to torture your muscles. But now that we hit the shoulders, let's go right in the chest. And on chest, we're gonna work dumbbell flies on an incline, manageable weight. We'll work dumbbell flies, we'll do dumbbell presses, wide grip and close grip, all in succession. Move. Oh. All right, so we hit all of our dumbbells with our chest and our shoulders for now in our first cycle through. Now we hit incline bench press, and you want to go with moderate weight, manageable weight again, and you want to go until failure. You want to maximize on the amount of reps that you get. With the last set, introduce you to my dog Moon. She was interrupting my sets, but I'll try to cut around her so that you guys still got a clear view of how to cycle through. Let's go. A makeshift tripod. All right, now that we hit weights, with our shoulders and our chest, we're done with weights for a second, and we go into our push-up, pull-up, dip circuit. And that's uninterrupted. That's until failure, of course. You will see me doing them with a weighted chain, just for added resistance, but it's still until failure nonetheless. All right, now that we've done our push-ups, sit-ups, and dips in succession, we go right into our bicep and tricep circuits. If you haven't been able to tell thus far, it's been many circuits that make up into one big circuit. So this is still one cycle through, but now we go into biceps and triceps. Let's go. And progressively working our way down or up, whichever you prefer. Excuse my dog, sorry. Then, of course, isolate the curl. Got this one from CT. All right, for your final tricep exercise with weights, obviously, in this cycle or part of the circuit, you can do tricep press downs, you can do kickbacks. I just prefer to sit with my back against the lat pull down machine and kick out. So let's go.